You can bet your bottom dollar. Great programming coming up next on the Stewart Media and Entertainment Network. Stand by. Hold on. Talk at its finest, coming up next on the Stewart Media and Entertainment Network. In about 2 minutes, stand by. We know what guys are talking about. Stand by. A great show coming up next on the Stewart Media and Entertainment Network. In about 30 seconds. Stand by. Don't go away. Stop. If they're talking about it at the barbershop, we're talking about it here on SME. Great show coming up in about 30 seconds. Don't go away. Stand by. It's time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Another great product on the Stewart Media and Entertainment Network. Yeah!
My words are direction, thoughts put down for perfection, for dead in minds, resurrection, for hard heads a lesson, towards the feeling, true confessions, daily movement, progression, handle minds with aggression, respect my essence not to get caught in intersections, like a lethal weapon, or safety for protection, here today be here for tomorrow, granted like words and scriptures, for you to follow, pay attention, not all man's have good intentions, like we just state in one dimension, put in place with discretion, know you're rating this one, see how deep things get, pure elevation, set it off to cure a nation. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like words and scriptures for you to follow. My man, here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like words and scriptures for you to follow. My brother, here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like words and scriptures for you to follow. My seed, here today, be here for tomorrow. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Cock this so it's balance the bullets. We all holding full clips. Ways of the world forever. Keep my peeps in bullshit. Drama that, another episode of the habitat. You see it ill and abstract. We live it real and that's that. Reality fact. See your brother lying on his back and another brother holding the gap. Cain and Abel had they beef a while back. Not for everything, niggas should react. Bodies dumped out on the floor like a Bruce video. You gotta see the show, you not living like you want more. My brother is my keeper. Spray your block with street sweeper. Heard the code of the sleeper. Why you wanna live high wild for Grim Reaper? Live your life, get the thumping through your speaker. Only the few come around where the chosen run. You still have wits when I hold for bun. Of course I never think twice about busting. You only get spared one cousin. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like words and scriptures for you to follow. My man, here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like words and scriptures for you to follow. My brother, Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like word description for you to follow. My scene. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Ways of the world, ways of the war, ways of the cold, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the war, ways of the cold, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the war, ways of the cold, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the war, ways of the cold, ways with no heart. Looking for cure, all kind of remedies, knowledge yourself, and pay attention how you walk and survive on the self. And what we're spoken to is just the works and bring forth wealth. To put it short, don't talk shit that you can handle yourself. Cold world, that is not fair with a lot of cool cats, and you be missing like a dope you felt short to react. Take heed, absorb instruction like when thirst off right. No, I lead and not to follow ways to safe for the night. Use my little man, I love you more than I can stand. So even if I'm gone, you never take it there for grand. Lands, working till they hurt 50 grand. Humble at accurate with flows of an acrobat created for the all to relate. All we in the same chain of this game. Tight leg vision, that picture it in frame. Let it rain, let it rain. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like word description for you to follow. My man. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like word description for you to follow. My bro. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Granted like word description for you to follow. My seed. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Here today, be here for 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 tomorrow. Tomorrow. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Here today, be here for tomorrow. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways of the world, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways of the cold, ways with no heart. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways of the cold, ways with the heart. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways of the cold, ways with the heart. Ways of the world, ways of the world, ways of the cold, ways with the heart. Ways of the world, world, cold, heart, world, walk, cold, heart, world, walk, cold, heart.
Really like to know who is the kid with all the soul. It's my life, I put on this, the world of Chris, so listen in, it unfolds. With food for the mind, improving my lines, beats and using my time, wisely inviting you to fly with me, and cry with me, and lie with me as I'm looking up to God. Getting my energy, source from my Lord is my clarity, and these facades that's blind in my path, you do the math. These other cats is bringing half, my foundation is love and patience, so I'm built to last. I feel the blast from your attack, cranberry laughing, scaring us. My soul food is more than chicken and asparagus, and greens and grits is from the heart, so now they fearing us. It's more than just music, cause the flow I'm using is serious. Real thought and rap, it's not a lotta. My punchlines touch minds, I got more catchphrases than Mike Piazza. I gotta keep this metaphorically tight, but leave it just loose enough so it'll fit around your life, alright? For all about the spit. And already did. It's easy people making plans to try to stop the kid. But dog, it's obvious, cause I must win. You can't stop it, do the math, it's not happening. For all I'm about to spit, and already did. It seems these people making plans to try to stop the kid. But dog, it's obvious, cause I must win. You can't stop it, do the math, it's not happening. These people wanna see me fail and don't think I can sell. I'm displaying my creation art. They show and tell. I know that hell's trying to block my trail. I lock myself into my room to fuse together this music that's got to smell success and positive vibes the rest of my life. I plan to help the fail through bad vibes. I lift blinds to show and expose minds. My golden balls can show your soul how to shine and hold it on the guard on life's ride. So follow me, I'll take the lead. This industry is in some need of someone to show you what's free, and that's me. I see I'm hitting from a distance. Every sentence I'm spitting, I'm giving sense like Jesus speaking repentance. I menace to win this pennant. The title's mine. Dirty rice writes with whole hearts. These other rappers write ties. That's 10%, that's 90 left to give. So do the math and watch my path as I show you how to live. Well, all I'm about to spit and already did. It seems these people making plans to try to stop the kid. But dog, it's obvious, cause I must win. You can't stop it, do the math, it's not happening. For all I'm about to spit and already did. It seems these people making plans to try to stop the kid. But dog, it's obvious, cause I must win. You can't stop it, do the math, it's not happening.
And when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you hear them things click, about to bust it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you hear them things click, about to bust it out? Yeah.
I know you never met my kind. Fascination never blew my mind. Bitter words, hard, too sweet. You confused, don't waste my time. Style, try, coping one. Another sucker know when it's done. Remove the rapper, blow, pop his fam, living gushing like bubble gum. Psychic anti-psychos, me. I'm tossing braid and pigeons around me. A 10-9 to check hoes who repeatedly try to check size me. Finger gotta cut this trigger. Don't go gas to kill you. Don't go fall round the corner. You meet folks.
When life in the city is hard enough, and when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough, and when you hear them things click, about to bust it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough, and when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out? Yeah. Life in the city is hard enough, and when you hear them things click, about to bust it out? Yeah. You never even heard of one such, and never seen no one such, until you live on the run. But you can't see the way the bullets come though. Some will, some won't. Some get it, some don't. Ain't no sympathy for the weak and needs me a temple bleed like what? Legs in the air laid out like a dead rope to the bump. Trying to ride in on the coke. Should've never hit the bad note. I bring the image of a broken tree as I scope your brains through the red smoke. And the people wouldn't even care. They saw you once and then no more. So we didn't even hit a click, cause it was already dropped. If you really made, you get voted up, blow it up and toast. Cause life in the city is hard enough. And when I got a little brick, so what? I'ma take it out, yeah. When life in the city is hard enough. And when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out, yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you hear them things click, about to bust it out, yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you got a little brick, so what? Wanna take it out, yeah. Life in the city is hard enough. And when you hear them things click, about to bust it out.